Hi guys, it's your favorite babe Franklin, and it's your favorite channel. Make it easy. You watching this video, you've automatically been made an easy goer. Last week I showed easy goers in how to make durag on hair tie, and the guys were like, "What about us? We don't have hair ties." I got you guys. This is a durag made out of shirts. Yeah, shirts. The shirts like your babe comes to take every weekend. And advice, keep them because to make a fantastic durag. Some people ask, durag, shirts, durags. What kind of shirt do we make for this durag? And I'm like, a big shirt. The bigger the shirt, the fancier the durag becomes. This what you can wear to like the volleyball court, the basketball court. Yeah, just a casual going. And for the girls, you guys are not out. Like for the gym, guys can wear it to the gym and all. So let's go there. Okay, guys, I'm using this shirt. It's a shirt. Wait, is it a t-shirt or a shirt? Never mind. We're going to start by folding this from the neck to the lower department of your arm, just like this. Yeah, you like fold it until you make the arm disappear to the lines of folding. Perfect. Very perfect. And now you like take it up. Try to bend your head like you're trapping. And you bring your hand back and taking it up to your head, place it to your forehead so you can get the perfect rectangular shape on your head. Nice. So now try to like tie this very tight. For me, the tighter it gets, the smarter you look. So I tie this twice so that you can get that smart look. This one, and yeah, very tight. Tight it again. Two. Perfect. So now you drag this so you can get that smooth shape on your head. Drag it. And yeah, very perfect. A simple home casual durag. Very simple. There you go, guys. This is the easiest way you can make your durag in just less than a minute. Very easy because make it easy. I've made everything so easy. So if there's anything you want to make in an easy way, my dear, comment on the comment box and I promise you I will give you a spectacular way on how to make that very easy. Catch you guys later. It's your favorite bae from Make It Easy channel. Love you guys.